So there's three ways you might see a problem written, and it's just, they all mean the same thing, so don't get them confused. It all means the same thing. If you have this, y cubed minus y squared minus 6 over y plus 2, you might see it like that, or you might see it like y cubed minus y squared minus 6 divided by y plus 2. That's the same thing. It means the same thing. And the third one, that's the squirreliest one, is y cubed minus y squared minus 6 times y plus 2 to the negative 1. Now let's look at that one and see really what it means. What do you do to make a negative exponent positive?
Do the opposite.
You don't do the opposite. What do you do with the thing that's got a negative exponent?
Yeah, put it.
You put it downstairs. So technically when this goes downstairs, doesn't it look like that? So it's just a different way of saying the same thing. So when you see the negative 1, it just means the first guy divided by the second guy. Does everybody understand that? It's just a different way of saying it. Solve this problem here. And this is 1. If you look at this one, it's the easiest way to see it. The opposite of this guy is the guy that goes in the box, right? So negative 2. Everybody remember that? And then are there any y's missing from up here? Who's missing?
Just a plain y.
A plain y. So we have 1y cubed, negative 1y squared, but we don't have any plain y's. We have to put a 0 and a negative 6. We put our line and we make our box, okay? That's our remainder box. So every single problem starts the same way. Move this guy down. Multiply the box by that guy. Put it up here, so negative 2. Add these together. Negative 3. Negative 2 times negative 3 is 6. Add these together. 6. Negative 2 times 6 is negative 12. And our remainder is negative 18.
Wait, why is it negative 2?
The answer is going to be, this is going to be the number, this is going to be the plain y, and this is going to be the y squared. So your answer, and this is going to be the remainder. So your answer is going to be y squared minus 3y plus 6 plus negative 18 over y plus 2.